Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how install Visual C++ Windows 11. To start, go to the link that we left you in the description of the video. There, click on the version of your operating system. Wait for the download to complete. When the download is complete, click on the file. In the wizard, check the box for the license terms and click on Install. You must click Yes to authorize the installation. Now wait for the installation of Visual C++ to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.